Hello everyone. I'm Dr. Nadia Riyad, a resident, third year resident in ENT residency program. I started preparation for MRCS Part A for September 2021 very late. I started in July. I didn't think I'm going to pass this exam. I started very late, but thank God I joined Dr. Rida Harbi course. Was a great thing. The things I have ever done. The course is very organized. The question posting is great. They give you all the high yield concepts you have to know. You don't have to waste your time between different sources and different websites. It gives you all you have to know: the concept, the ideas, the questions. Also, they give you recalls, past papers, things you need to pass. The team is great. They give you support. They answer your question all the time. If you don't understand anything, all you have to do is ask them, and they will answer you right away. So thank you, Dr. Rida, for helping us to pass, and we are very happy to join this course. Thank you.